Greetings, everybody. Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a delightful day. I just wanted to come on and show you real quick that I did my own nails. Of course, having your nails done is not a necessity, it is a luxury. But if you feel like you want to get your nails done so that you feel more feminine or pretty at this moment in your life, then do what makes you feel good. Um, and it's not about what anybody else thinks, it's just about boosting your esteem. It may be a false sense of boosting because, again, it's not a necessity. But again, if you need to do so to make you feel good, do what makes you feel good and do what makes you feel happy. So I just wanted to show you that there are options. This was $6.25 at Family Dollar. And they're not going to stay this long. They do need to be shaped. But again, I just wanted to show you what they would look like. I did start shaping that one, but that's neither here nor there. Again, this was just to show you that you can still um, practice self-care on a budget. Again, if this is something that you feel like you desire to do, that's the purpose of this video, to show you that there is an option. You can do it yourself, or you can get a friend who you trust to do them for you. So I hope that was helpful. Love y'all. Later.